pregnant. You don't care. Okay. So I'm just pregnant and you don't care. Alright? I'm pregnant. Okay. Babe, I'm pregnant.
Yo, what? Juicy, let me tell you so like me. Maybe take one too. Guys. What are you happy for?
Tammy, oh my god, guess what, girl, I'm pregnant! Oh!
Woo! Pregnant, that's your problem, not mine.
Babe, I'm pregnant.
Girl, have no glad man.
Babe, I'm pregnant.
Child support.
Babe, I have a little secret to tell you.
You what?
Now wait, don't get mad. I'm pregnant.
Not a blood clot.
Babe, I'm pregnant.
Oh, you're pregnant? I'm so happy for you. Who's the daddy?
Babe, we have to talk. Now, the good news is, I'm pregnant.
I'm gonna be your daddy?
The bad news is, I really don't know who's it's for. Sorry. Psst. Baby,
What you want?
can I come in to talk to you?
You have something to tell me?
Okay, so so like, you know, remember the other day, you know, you was making jokes and stuff like that, going, girl, you pregnant? You know, tell me my nose is getting fat and stuff like that. You know, oh yeah, so I'm pregnant, motherfucker. What you gonna do about it? Oh, this nigga think I'm joking. Okay. You try. Oh no, nigga, don't run out there.
It's so nice outside.
You better get your ass back over here.